In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an attention effect to Chaty. The attention effects are designed to help you capture your website visitors' attention by making them aware of the chat widget and click on it, therefore increasing your conversion rate. So to add an attention effect, I'll first open up my Chaty dashboard and edit the widget that I had previously created. Now I'll head over to the widget customization tab and scroll down until I find the attention effect option. As you can see, the attention effect is set to none. So I'm going to be choosing one of these effects, and don't forget that you can monitor the change in real time in the live preview window on the right side of your screen. So for example, the waggle effect will look something like this, while the bounce effect will look something like this. And I can scroll through this list. For example, I can change to floating and it will show me what the floating effect looks like. What about sheen? Or perhaps spin. That's what the spin attention effects looks like. Or fade. Or perhaps shockwave. As you can see, there are plenty of effects that you can choose from this list. Blink, for example. Or perhaps pulse. So you get the picture. And just remember that these attention effects are designed to help you capture your website visitors' attention by making them aware of the chat widget and click on it. Once you have chosen your attention effect, make sure to save the changes. And in case you're not seeing the changes on your website, all you have to do is to clear cache. And an easy way to clear the cache is to open up any post and just select the quick edit option, enter a space in the title, and choose update. What I really like about Chaty is that it can improve your business by closing more sales, getting more reviews, increasing subscribers, collecting more emails, fielding more calls, improving support. And that is because your visitors are out there using Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, and by using Chaty, your users can communicate with you from their preferred social messaging channel, making engagement easy for everyone. I personally find the free version of Chaty really useful, but if you want more advanced features like custom rules, CSS, multi-site support, upgrading could be a great option. You can find the link in the description, and it's an affiliate link, so if you decide to upgrade, it also supports this channel at no extra cost to you. And now, stay with me to watch some more videos about WordPress chat solutions.